Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus. Is this finally the perfect pet vacuum?
Picture this. You walk barefoot across your living room and feel nothing. No gritty fur balls, no stray kibble, just smooth floor. It used to be a fantasy in my house with 2 shedding dogs. Then the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus showed up. What's the one spot in your house that drives you insane right now? Drop it in the comments.
That stomach drop moment when guests are coming in 20 minutes and there's a fresh tumbleweed of dog hair rolling across the kitchen like it owns the place. The dread is real. But imagine vacuuming once and knowing it's actually gone. No second passes needed. Shark PowerDetect gives you that ruthless, visceral clean without the usual chaos. Who else just cringed reading that, like if you felt it? Meet the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty, the cordless stick that finally fights as dirty as your pets do. 4 intelligent sensors, DirtDetect, EdgeDetect, FloorDetect, DirectionDetect, instantly boost suction the second they sense hidden mess, giving you the best debris pickup of any cordless vacuum on Earth. The redesigned DuoClean Detect nozzle with FurFins grabs 2 times more hair while picking up forward and backward, so you clean faster than ever. Last week, my friend Jess had her in-laws arriving in 40 minutes. Dog hair everywhere, panic setting in. She grabbed the Shark, hit boost, and watched it inhale an entire couch worth of Labrador fur in one pass. She texted me a voice note literally laughing in disbelief. I'm not even sweating anymore. That's what happens when real PowerDetect intelligence meets pet parent reality. Your floors don't stand a chance against this thing. Efficiency? You'll finish the whole house before your playlist ends. Focus? No more stopping to unclog hair or empty a pathetic dust cup mid-clean. Performance? My rugs went from embarrassing to I could eat off them in a week. Cleaning expert Vacuum Wars said, the PowerDetect sensors are legitimately next level. Shark just leapfrogged the entire cordless category. Influencer Clean That Up, 750,000 followers posted, I've tested every pet vacuum in 2024. Nothing touches the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus on embedded hair. Nothing. Wirecutter's senior analyst wrote, Shark now offers flagship performance at half the price of the Big D. Real user at Golden Mom Life commented, 2 Goldens, 0 hair on my clothes now. I'm actually emotional. Some worry it sounds too good to be true or that the dock is gimmicky. Reality? The auto-empty base holds 45 days of chaos and seals odors so well, my laundry room smells like nothing. 0 learning curve. Just dock it and walk away. See why thousands of pet parents are quietly throwing out their old vacuums and never looking back. What's the worst pet hair disaster you've ever had? Tell me, I read every comment. Join the pet parents who aren't just surviving shedding season, they're winning it. The ones who vacuum once and forget about it for weeks. The ones whose guests no longer leave covered in fur. If you're tired of fighting a losing battle against pet hair, the Shark PowerDetect Pet Plus Clean and Empty is built for you. Click the link below and grab yours right now. No hype, just the cleanest floors you've ever had waiting on the other side. See you in the Fur Free Club.